Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 20th, 2022. Here we are today. We're going to talk about ADA and try to see where the price is going to go, because if you guys have been avid followers of Cardano, you know that the Vasil Hardfork is quickly approaching. It is going to go down on September the 22nd, 2022. And I wanted to come in and show you all what I think the price is going to do leading up to that event and possibly afterwards. So if you guys want to join me, hit that like button. Should have also subscribe here to the channel. I am real. I'm here to give you all the real as to how price is going to move without the confusion and being fully transparent. That's how this game is going to be played. That's how the mental focus needs to be as we continually see price move within the cryptocurrency space. And I want to show you all how you can learn for yourself, how to walk around, how to maneuver in the cryptocurrency space without being hit off your square. All right, so check this out. This is the article right here talking about Cardano, and there was a tweet placed for input output saying that the hard fork, the Vasil Hardfork, is going to occur the 22nd of September, which is just 2 days away. So I wanted to update you all as to how the market in ADA is taking that particular hard fork. Are people really getting prepared for it? Are they anticipating that this is going to be successful? Are they nervous? Are people buying ADA? What's going on, right? Well, let's talk about that then, because you guys can see I did a video in ADA on September the 12th. September the 12th, so 8 days ago, and I was looking for the market in ADA to trend higher, and you guys can already see it from out the gate. That has not happened. The market went down, right? But you guys can see so far it is hitting an area that I said that we can still see market go up as long as ADA's price holds this 43.5 cent level. We're hitting that right now. So if I still see weakness down here at 44.5 cents, then that means that we may need to cut this idea of us looking for ADA to go up to it going down. Because right now we're not seeing a lot of strength coming into the market in ADA. Like, let's keep it a buck, let's keep it real. These days right here, even though we have noticed some days to where ADA was going through some strength, right? Even though we can see that, we need to talk about these certain days right here. Okay, we need to talk about these certain days, these 2 days namely, which is right here on September the 13th and then again on the 17th. Like, these 2 days alone is really wiping out all of the efforts that ADA has been trying to go up. That's a problem. That's a major problem, because it takes the market longer to go up than it does to go down. It takes more energy, it takes more buying and exertion to try to move the market up than to move down. And just these 2 days alone, you guys can see it took what, 4 days just to try to recover half of what that particular day of September the 13th moved down. It took 4 days just for it to cover half of that movement, and then the market went right back down again. So we cannot act like the market is not weak in ADA, because it is. Here's ADA on the 2-day chart. Now, outside of me saying that ADA is weak and that we got the hard fork approaching, like, people like to play price action off of catalyst, and that is going to be a catalyst for ADA, this hard fork. Now we're going 2 days into it, and the market is not really giving us a whole lot of movement. You guys can see that we've been trading within this range ever since May, and here we are in September, and the market is still traded within these two horizontal lines. So there's not a lot really going on in ADA. Now, after the hard fork, possibly we can see this market in ADA finally break out to the upside, or we're going to see the market break down to the downside. We need to be prepared either way it goes. Now, you guys can see right here on the last couple of 3-day price bars, we haven't seen any strength. Like, every 3-day price bar that we have right now has been definitely selling coming into the market. People are not buying ADA. I don't care how many videos you guys see of people saying that they bought more ADA. They're not having any impact on where price is going. Obviously, they're not buying enough because the market is still going down. Look at ADA here on the 5-day chart. So outside of us noticing the market in ADA holding this area of support, we need to expect price to continue to go down. Outside of that line right there, if the buyers don't hold where we are at right now, we will continue to go down, and we're going to come down to this particular level around 38, 39 cents. I'm just trying to get you prepared for it. This is the only thing, the one thing that is keeping this price right, that is keeping this price elevated, is the buyers who have been buying ADA right there around 43 cents. That is it. Nothing more, nothing less. And if those buyers leave 43 cents, then the market in ADA is going to go down. They have a very important job right now. The buyers in the market of ADA. This is ADA right here on the weekly chart. And the conclusion of last week, again, I'm not seeing any bullishness coming into the market outside of us holding this 43 cent price. The market has to do it. It has to. There's no questions about it. And if I don't see that, then I'm going to continue to look for price in ADA to go down. Okay. Yes. Here we are. We got 5 days and 14 hours left on this current 2-weekly price bar. And we literally, on the previous 2 weeks, you guys can see the market reverse course. It came down the prior 2 weeks. We came right back up. And now we're going right back down again. Like, for real. What's going on? Did not the buyers try to lift price in ADA this 2-weekly price bar? Yeah, they did, but they left. They ran out of money. They're not there anymore. So price in ADA is coming all the way back down. So let's see this on the hourly chart. Okay, because I'm not seeing a lot of strength coming into the market in ADA right now. I don't see it on the 1 hour. I don't see it on the 3-hour chart. I don't see it on the 5-hour chart. Don't see it on the 7-hour chart. Don't see it on the 9-hour chart. Don't see it on the 11-hour. I don't see where the buyers are coming in. I don't see it. Okay. So let's do this here. This is the monthly chart in ADA. And this is even going into more confirmation that even in the long term, from a monthly perspective, it doesn't look bullish yet. It's just not here. It is just not here. So what I'm going to do, I am going to take this last price prediction out the way and say that it didn't go in our favor. And if we were to get out the market now, we're down 13.47%. It happens. It happens. Now, I got 2 price targets though. So looking at this here, I really want you all to see and understand that I know we can see market hold around 43 cents. Okay, so that's going to be my first price target. And that will give us around 3.37%. I get it. I know it may not be enough. It might not even be worth putting on the play. 3%. But I definitely want to put you all on guard and make you all aware that, yeah, we can see the market hold here. And then price in ADA begin to go higher. So I definitely want to tell you that first. My second price target from a longer term perspective is for ADA to come all the way down here to 38.39 cents. Okay. So we have 43 cents first. Then we have 39 cents second for ADA to trend to go. Okay, so even if this hard fork doesn't work out in terms of seeing the market turn bullish, we are going to already be in position to see the market trend down. And as we saw the market get rejected in ADA right here around 51-52 cents, this is going to be that level to let us know if the market really is turning bullish or not. So as we approach the hard fork, market begins to go up. If we see it get rejected at 51 cents, 50 cents, that still tells us that price is weak. All right. So that is it. Give me your thoughts. We got 2 days left before the hard fork occurs, according to input output. So I want to know what you think now. Tell me where you think the price in ADA is going to go. We are in position. We got 2 price targets, and I want to know what are your price targets. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.